Catch out. Take or grab hold of something. Oh, Jimmy's always catching at that action figure. It's his favorite one. I was catching at the dog's lash. I don't know how he got away from me. Catch on. To become popular or widespread. Judging by my students, that obnoxious song is really starting to catch on. I can't go back to wearing stiff jeans every day. Not now that athleisure wear has catch on. Catch on. Finally understand what is going on. Everyone else realized what was happening, but it took Henry ages to catch on. We played a practice game so that the new players could catch on before we started betting. Catch out. Trick. The exam is designed to catch you out. Catch out. Discover or prove that someone is lying. He caught me out when he checked my story with my previous employer. I wouldn't lie to the detective. Her whole job is to catch you out. Catch out. Put someone in an unexpected and difficult situation. We were caught out in the storm. Catch up. Reach someone who was ahead of you. He started well, but I caught him up on the third lap. The red car caught up with the blue one. Bill caught up with Anne, and they walked to the bank together. Catch up and become involved, often against one's will. The tourists were caught up in the violence of the revolution. Catch up on. Do something that should have been done earlier. I'm going home to catch up on my sleep. Catch up on. To tell someone about something that they missed when it originally happened. Can someone please catch me up on things? Why is Joe mad at Sheila? Catch up with. Meet someone after a period of time and find out what they have been doing. I caught up with her at the conference. Catch up with. Punish someone after they have been doing something wrong for a long time. The tax authorities caught up with me for not submitting my tax returns. Catch up with. To find someone after a period of time trying to track that person down. You won't get away with this, Sonny. The feds will catch up with you eventually. His criminal behavior is starting to catch up with him. Catch up with. Learn something new that many people already understand. My mother's trying to catch up with computers.